Here in this video today, we'll talk about 5 things that you must eliminate from your home. That is an immediate effect because they attract poverty and stagnation. It is really crucial for you that you pay close attention to this information that I'm about to share, because if you're feeling that you are stuck in some routine and everything you want or you desire is always seeming out of reach and not able to achieve the success that you want, it is probably one or more of these 5 reasons that I will explain in detail now. What are they and why should you get rid of them? But before I start, I invite you to like and subscribe the channel and share our videos with everyone you love and wish a better life for everyone. Comment below how open you are ready to receive the blessings and express your gratitude for everything. If you don't believe that your life can be transformed with this video, then this video is not for you. Otherwise, watch until the end because it is important that you understand everything that I have to say to ensure that you get the results. Hi everyone, welcome to Relax and Meditate by KP Casey, your own host. So let's start this video. It is very important to understand that everything in this world is made up of energy, and every object and everything that you have in your house has energetic vibrations that can either take you forward or hold you back. So when I realized this, I began to closely monitor and observe every item in my house and discovered that I had connections with many items which is related to my past. Then I started eliminating them one by one to attract miracles and manifest miracles in my life that I had never imagined. Take a few minutes for yourself and pay attention because this information is incredibly important, and if you can apply in your life, you will also see miracles and changes happening in your life. I will now let you know the details of those 5 things that are related to the principle of vibrations. Let's start with the first thing that you should immediately remove from your house, and that is your clothes. Yes, I understand that we as women have so many clothes in our cupboard and still we will never find any clothes to wear. It carries a specific energy according to the situation. Whenever you bought any clothing, you had loved it and wore it frequently quite some time. But something happens and suddenly you stop wearing it. So this is what, because you changed. You know, we are all constantly evolving, and what you liked yesterday may not resonate with you today. The clothes you no longer wear contain the energy of your past, which no longer aligns with your current energy. By not having the same energy, you are stagnating yourself and your progress. So, in case you have those clothes which you don't wear, don't keep them in your cupboard. Either you donate them or give it to anybody you want and discard them completely. I'll ask you to do a very important exercise. Hold a piece of cloth in your hand and express gratitude, saying thank you for the moments we shared and the time we spent together. Why am I asking this? Because that piece of cloth has energy and needs to complete its cycle by saying goodbye with gratitude when you wore it. Certainly, it had brought wonderful moments. Second thing that blocks your energy is a broken objects in your house. It could be anything, any kitchen utensil, any vase, any decoration, any painting, anything in your house. Remember, your home is a temple and you must take care of it. Something is broken, don't try to fix it by gluing it. it is already broken, and having something broken in your home is a great theft. It's a blocker of energy. Do the same as you did to your clothes. Say goodbye to it with gratitude for the service it provided and discard it. Third and very important thing is dirty, worn out shoes. I've learned this from great people that journey of your life is guided by the shoes you wear. You should always keep them clean and in good condition. When you come home, clean the shoes so that the external energy they carry does not enter your house, your temple. If they are worn out, do you want a broken path in your life? I imagine you will never try to do that way. So do your best and replace them with the new ones. It is that thing in your daily routine that bears your weight of the physical body and absorb the energy when you're outside. Please always try to keep them clean and in good condition. The fourth most important thing requires a lot of intention, because most people have these items. I'm talking about objects and clothes of people who are no longer with you, who are no longer in this plain memories. It should remain only in your minds. The rest is energy. And if the person is no longer present, let them go. Allow them to continue their journey. Do not interrupt their process, because if you do, you will achieve more stagnation in your own home. Only having things that are part of your present, the past is already dead, it no longer exists. Last but not the least, you should eliminate is clutter. The energy in your house must flow freely. The lighter your environment is, more energy will circulate. Try to keep your house organized. Open windows to let air and sunlight in. Do not leave anything in the way, or try to perfume your house with beautiful plants that bring you and fill your heart that it is yours. It should give a joy you to return to make it to your bed every morning and thank it for providing you with rest. Remember, it is also energy. Try to make your house as harmonious as possible, as it is not about luxury but about energy in motion with the clean and tidy environment. When you start applying these 5 points, you will feel a significant change and you will feel lighter and see how situations in your life to start to resolve. Let the energy flow and your life will improve. Do not just take my word for it, try for yourself. One great day, someone told me, if your present wants to be wonderful, your past must die. Clean your house, eliminate all negative energy that no longer resonate with you. Soon you will see miracles happening in your life. As I conclude this video, the state of our home greatly impacts energy and overall well-being. It is incredible that how simple changes in our surrounding can have profound effect on our lives. Like by getting rid of clothes, broken objects, loved ones who have passed away, creating space for the positive energy, cleaning the clutter. It's like a dance between our environment and us. Energy, when we consciously choose to surround ourselves with things that align with the present, we open doors for incredible transformation in our life. We reinforce the power of gratitude and we say goodbye to our belongings. It is a way of honor the role they played in our lives and embrace the new chapter that awaits us additionally. It is really rewarding to eliminate clutter and create space for things and resonate with a clear, harmonious, and vibrant living space. It is not about perfection or expensive decoration, it's about infusing our home with positive vibration, whether it is by opening windows, letting in fresh air and sunlight, or adding some beautiful plants, or simply keeping everything organized. By taking these small but impactful steps, we impact miracles and invite them into our lives. Journey of self-discovery and intentional living, therefore, I encourage you to take action and embark on this journey of creating space and see the effect in our life. Thank you for joining us in Relax and Meditate by KP Casey. Let's embrace the power of our environment and let positive energy flow and witness the magic it unfolds in our lives. If you enjoyed this information I shared, leave a comment, like the video, and if you are new here, do subscribe the channel. Keep learning until next video. May God bless you. Thank you very much.